Let's see how you can send dynamic images to your customers or users or students in bulk. Click on the CRM, create a new campaign. Now select your channel version, enter a name for the campaign, select your audience, select message, select your channel, and select a template. Now to send dynamic images, for sure your template should have an image header. Select the option of dynamic from here and select an image experience that you have created earlier. All the variables would show here as fields from your image experience. Now you can map your custom fields or the system field here. So now this name here is the WhatsApp name of the user who have interacted with us, and the body variables are the variables in the template. Now click on next, save campaign, and click on the rocket icon to send the campaign. Now dynamic images are sent a bit slower than the normal campaigns. Your campaign should be delivered in the next few minutes depending upon the quantity of messages in it. Thank you.